Hello everyone, it's Mariter with Scrapp Dog Media here once again. And today I have a video that will brighten your day for sure. But first, I have a special request. Starting a YouTube channel is a very difficult task, and you need the help of your friends. And you're my friends. Therefore, I humbly ask that you please take a moment to click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the like button. It would truly help me a lot, and I would very much appreciate it. Every one of you are very special to me, and I promise to always read every comment. Thank you, and we will get started now. A new dawn for the Philippines. In a bold move to recalibrate global trade dynamics, President Donald J. Trump has implemented a sweeping tariff policy, imposing a staggering 145% tariff on Chinese imports. This decisive action aims to address long-standing trade imbalances and protect American industries. While this shift poses challenges for some, it opens unprecedented opportunities for nations like the Philippines. The Philippines, with a comparatively modest 17% tariff rate, now stands as an attractive alternative for businesses seeking to relocate operations from China. This favorable position is expected to catalyze a surge in foreign investments, leading to job creation and economic growth. Historically, similar trade adjustments have resulted in significant shifts in manufacturing hubs. The current scenario presents the Philippines with a unique chance to become a central player in global supply chains. By capitalizing on this moment, the nation can usher in a new era of prosperity and development. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore how these changes can transform the Philippine economy, providing tangible benefits to its citizens and strengthening its position on the world stage. Do you realize what this means, guys? This is the biggest thing to happen to the Philippines in many years, if not decades, or even centuries. You may not understand what I mean just yet, but you will before I finish this video. The Philippines' competitive edge in global trade. In the shifting landscape of global commerce, the Philippines has emerged as a beacon of opportunity. Recent data from the World Bank indicates that the country's average applied tariff rate stands at approximately 17%. This low tariff environment positions the Philippines as an attractive destination for businesses seeking cost-effective alternatives to higher tariff nations. Trading economics. The strategic implementation of these low tariffs, coupled with initiatives like the zero tariff policy on electric vehicles and parts extended until 2028, underscores the Philippines' commitment to fostering a business-friendly environment. Such policies not only encourage foreign investment but also stimulate domestic industries, paving the way for economic growth and job creation. As global companies reassess their supply chains in response to shifting trade dynamics, the Philippines' favorable tariff structure offers a compelling case for relocation. This transition promises to usher in a new era of prosperity, providing Filipinos with increased employment opportunities and contributing to the nation's overall development. We will delve deeper into how these economic shifts are set to transform the Philippine landscape, bringing tangible benefits to its citizens and reinforcing its position in the global market. China has taken advantage of the United States for decades, but President Trump is standing up against them and saying, enough is enough. He is no longer going to allow countries to abuse and take advantage. Those countries that have stood strong with America will prosper. Who are those countries, you may wonder? It's Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, and the Philippines. And I think the Philippines will prosper more than any of them. The Philippines is a nation that speaks English as its second language, and English is taught in our schools. Have you noticed in the news lately that the USA just sold several F-16 fighter jets to the Philippines. I think it was over 20 jets if I remember correct, but you can research that. The Trump administration sees the Philippines and a strong and upcoming global partner. He not only is going to make America great, but he is going to help in making the Philippines great again. You might not like him as a person, and I know that he has a very strong personality. You may not agree with everything he does or says, but the man is an absolute genius, especially in business growth. And now he is in a good position to help both America and the Philippines. This truly is something very special that has just happened to the Philippines, but it won't happen overnight. It takes time for trade deals to be made. Then it takes even more time for factories to be built, and there has to be logistics set in place for shipping of products from the Philippines to the United States. Yes, it will take some time, but it's on the way. That's a far better outlook that we just had only a couple weeks ago for the Philippines. I truly believe a better future is on the way, and I think it will be absolutely amazing. Guys, this could be huge for the Philippines. You know, I was just reading this article over my morning coffee, and I had one of those wow moments. President Trump just laid the smackdown on China with this new 100+% tariff. It's gonna send shockwaves through global trade. But here's what really hit me. This could actually be a golden opportunity for the Philippines. I mean, big time. See, while China just got walloped with over 100% tariffs, the Philippines, we're sitting at about 17.6%. Yes, I said 17.6%. That's insanely low. Companies that have been stuck in China, dealing with all the red tape, rising costs, and now these monster tariffs, they're gonna start looking for the next best thing. And guess who's standing there smiling with open arms? Yup, the Philippines. And I don't just mean the big cities like Manila or Cebu either. Imagine what happens when foreign companies start opening factories and call centers in places like Davao, Dumaguete, even up north in Baguio. That's jobs, that's roads being fixed, that's money flowing into areas that have been hurting for years. This isn't just some economic theory, this is real life. This could change things for everyday people. It could mean that a young Filipina in the province doesn't have to move overseas for work anymore as an OFW. She can stay home, be with her family, and still make a good living. I'm telling you, if President Trump keeps pushing like this and the Philippines keeps doing what it's doing, this country is gonna shine in a whole new light. The stars are lining up, my friends, and it looks like they're shining right over the islands. So now you see what I was talking about, right? This isn't just some news headline that'll be forgotten next week. This is a major turning point. And if the Philippines plays its cards right, it could change everything. We're not just talking about a few new factories popping up. We're talking about an economic awakening. The kind of growth that lifts up entire communities. The kind of development that gives families real hope and young people real opportunity right here at home. It's a chance for the Philippines to stop being seen as just a beautiful tourist destination or a place for cheap labor. No, this is our moment to become a serious economic force, a key player on the world stage, and all the pieces are falling into place. Low tariffs, a young and talented workforce, a strategic location, and strong ties to the West. Of course, challenges will come. Growth takes time, but every major shift in history starts with a spark. And I believe this is it. The spark has been lit, and now it's up to us, to all Filipinos and our partners abroad, to fan that flame into something powerful. And you know what? I believe we're ready. I believe our country is ready. The future is looking bright for the Philippines, and not just for big businesses but for the people, for the farmers, the teachers, the engineers, the students, the overseas foreign workers. This is for all of you. Let's build this new era together. Get ready for a future you have only saw in your dreams. And investment into the Philippines will be unbelievable. Just imagine all the factories that will be coming. It's going to change everything. For everyone, life is about to change for the better for the Philippines. I truly and honestly believe that, and I hope you will do your research and look into what I have said. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving financial advice. I am only giving my opinion. And I want you to do your research and give your opinions also. Please post your opinions in the comments below, guys. Please keep it clean though. I want to hear your comments. No matter what your opinion is on President Trump, I love all of you regardless of any politics, but just please be respectful and leave clean comments. Hey guys! If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated as this exciting story unfolds, please don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're building a community here at Scrapp Dog Media, and you're a huge part of it. Your support means the world to us, and I promise to keep bringing you stories that inspire, inform, and maybe even make you smile. So, until next time, this is Mariter with Scrapp Dog Media. Thank you and God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.